Cause you know past that stage yet. And that suck your mother really originate from. Me just want some people, no? Because I don't like live thing, you know. Me don't tell people on TikTok what me on live now. Me don't like the live thing because I will fuckery with them do with it. You know. TikTok Chinaman them. Stop interrupt me live if me I smoke my weed, if me I anything. TikTok Chinaman them, or if them and the white man them were link on the TikTok thing. Stop restrict me from do what the fuck I wanna do. No TikTok Chinaman them. You know, when I think when I go out with me I get hot now, me easy to get hot, you know. And in the morning early, but me decide so me I go put on the hoodie sitting and put on the crown and do the live stream, but right through. Now watch and see if me can do that to people, because right now I boil me start boil already. Mid-February, in the year of 2026, boom. King Nyah Newz blem 4, 2026.
I'm king of the island of Jamaica.
Good, we're good and clear. About what 8 items, you know, 7 items, something like that. I blem up the news every Saturday morning live on TikTok since early 2026. I'm recording it, blending up and call it something named King Nyah Newz blem. We could do a thing. Alright, at 8 items I have Cartel SYM. This never in night, you know. And me just catch this last night when me hear the tune again. So Cartel have a tune. Right now they are 8. And me say Cartel SYM tune. WYFL. I say rhythm name DJ Mac. The rhythm is annoying to me, but mostly because me can't get no tune pan it. Me a DJ to anybody when I know. I cannot find a tune pan that rhythm and I don't know why. I don't even know if it's a rhythm. The truth. Me know it's not dancehall, but you know the thing set there now is a trap thing them say them a do you now, and it bad some of them. Me don't really know if that rhythm is so bad. Me feel say DJ Mac a pay artist to go up on it. And that me feel. Me don't know, but Cartel have a tune name SYM. Now some people we are going at that thing there. Alright, good. So 8. Item number 8 pan the news blem and we are get warm now. SYM in is abbreviation for suck your mother, some say. Alright, at the worst is abbreviation. I don't know if the live will cut me off for that. Abbreviation for suck your mother. Now, make we analyze that whole suck your mother thing, the way, that term there. First of all, you have some man that say Cartel no fear do not tune names so now as a 50-year-old grandfather. You have done with certain terms. I don't know, I'm sending out in the chat. Sending out there and this is on the live in the chats in general. You think Cartel if you tell people suck your mother in a them stage of life as a as a big man. Tell the God Almighty truth, eh? Me don't know. Me not say yes or no, you know. Me not say yes or no, but I'm asking Cartel about tune name suck your mother. I don't know if him fear say them thing there at this stage of the game. But you might know better than me. Texting that, me I got edit and that must go. So the SYM suck your mother. Remember now, me I explain to some people. Some people don't know, you know. Suck your mother is not a sexual term, you know. You know, say some people don't know that. The King of Jamaica tell you the Jamaican culture where say suck your mother. It now originate as a sexual term, how some people are pretend, you know. It originate as you are a little boy, that it really mean. It mean it's like a ball field and construction site, hardcore man, jailhouse man kind of thing, violent, aggressive man kind of term. And suck your mother, it don't mean go and do sexual oral sex with your mother. No, so it sound and that it evolve into that it here. But no, let me clarify it as the King of Jamaica. Suck your mother, it originate from you as a tapper man on the construction site, or you as a tapper man on the ball field, cricket pitch, in a jailhouse, in a whatever hierarchy of man. You now is an older man, you are of age, of maturity. While a little man who challenge you at something, you are tell him say you're a baby. Suck on your mother. Go and suck on your mother's breast. Because you know past that stage yet. At that suck your mother really originate from. Me just want some people know. Me gonna blame up that and that must go. They're gonna make people educated in regard to the Jamaican culture. My name is King Nyah. I educate people regarding the Jamaican culture. Now, when I think when I go on with me I get hot now. Me easy to get hot, you know. And in the morning early, but me decide so me I go put on the hoodie sitting and put on the crown and do the live stream go right through. Now watch and see if me can do that to people, because right now I boil me start boil already. So me could see if me can go right through the like 8 items them without take off that's a sitting there for me in order to take off the crown. But shh. Quiet now because quiet mean cool. Well I know. So we blame up Cartel suck your mother. I want to go on with it. Live discontinued in some regions. Something when me say now, your life is not appropriate. Some damn shit when me say now. Some shit when me say now with some Okay, whatever, man. Whatever live stream, live visibility restricted, live visibility, blah, kind of thing. Okay, me click OK. Your live contains theme that me find uncomfortable and there. And me click OK. Alright, so anybody who want to watch me on the live while me talk about suck your mother and them thing, watch me on the live. Who don't want to that, just don't watch me on the live now. TikTok, Chinaman them. Stop interrupt me live if me a smoke my weed, if me a anything. TikTok Chinaman them, or if them and the white man them were linked on the TikTok thing. Stop restrict me from do what the fuck I wanna do. No TikTok Chinaman them. You hear me no man? We are do a thing in a Jamaica, so we talk in a Jamaica. If we want burn weed in a Jamaica, me could do a thing for our live stream. That's why I don't like the live thing, you know. I record this from a big camera up there. I don't like live thing, you know. I don't tell people on TikTok watching for live now. I don't like the live thing because I will fuckery with them do with it. When them talk about restriction, then cut off the live have now have a whole set of people who could get educated about the fact that suck your mother don't mean do sexual intercourse with your mother. When you cut me off them, I just say it away. I go a while ago. Cut me off again TikTok. Fuck. Alright, cartel sitting that now. With the tap number 8. Number 7, Newz blem item we are blem up. This have a long to ride because of the customer have just cut out TikTok man them. Right, number 7, for the Newz blem. Jamaica Winter Olympics, we are big up. This is a great item. This is something wonderful. Jamaica, me don't well educated on this, you see? Jamaica, TikTok live, all that kind of thing. I don't well educated on this, but here when me talk about the Jamaica Winter Olympics. You know you're supposed to say that, because Jamaica have winter. But we in Winter Olympics and winning. Winning in the Winter Olympics, yeah, our kind of thing. That if it have a winning night, our thing. So a man them with the push cart down the hill on the ice, them a blame it. I want to call some name which is Joel Fearon, Junior Harris, Shane Peter, the captain of the team, and Micah Moore, which is the only female name I'm here calling on the blame. I don't know the thing, but they say Micah Moore, Joel Fearon, Junior Harris, and Shane Peter. I don't know about the sport on the ice because I'm afraid of ice, and that's why I'm king of Jamaica. Today, the cold front gone already, you know, you see how I clog up? I clog up and me that get after a while I'm gonna say one of the challenges I have right now with this live stream, this Newz blem items, 7 go down to 1. Is that I'm getting hot right now. I started the live stream saying I'm gonna put on the hoodie and put the crown over it. And I have to do it right through and roll out this thing while I'm getting hot. Me I get hot, you know. Hold on. We big up Winter Olympics. So big up Dennis Cats who designed the uniform for them in the push cart derby down the ice. And that me call the bobsleigh. I know when I say that, you know, it's the Jamaica bobsleigh team that is winning up medals and these things where me can't tell you no good about because me don't know nothing about the ice sport. And when me I research it and I look on ice too much, me get frozen like ice. Well, number 6 item come to a Iceman. Trump immigration freeze. Talk about ice. Who wanna talk about ice? We're blending on the news item 7 down to the 1. We do 8 of them. We go down to 1 and we reach a 6 now. Trump immigration freeze for 75 countries. And that's where me here and a pre and it's still in effect. Trump immigration freeze is still in effect. Therefore, according to my knowledge, now I could be like wrongish, but if me wrong, me not fully wrong. Say Trump black out some country, including Jamaica, hold on pan the immigration thing. So all we that organize to get to go a foreign go live, go America go live. Have to hold on a little bit while your paperwork tie up. Yeah, and you know them the hold on they always a hold on long anyway. So like me and Mama Valley come here now, you know, you have to easy while it be out now pass. Hold on. So that's a number 6 item, but number 5 items still have to do with Trump. We're still in North America counting down the Newz blem items of King Nyah, King of Jamaica. North America tie in with we, you know, because you don't know, North America kind of run the world. We there 5 and we still a Trump we are talking about because him and the China boy them link. Trump shit up himself is a whole new news item, but we never get to talk about it because we never did it last week. No people don't know, you know. Trump shit up himself right in the middle of a news conference. Big up Donald Trump, you know, salute you, you know, you run your country or you want to run your country, and you run out who out of your country who you want to run out of your country. Salute, boss. I would be doing the same. But shit up myself on a news conference, I don't think so. More say, yo, wanna pause the news conference because I want shit. You see, I them something why I am the king of Jamaica. Real. Yeah, Jamaican people, real. No Jamaican gonna be shitting up themselves in the news conference. No poor man, ghetto man, or man of that roots gonna shit up themselves in that kind of public forum. You know why? We too real. If we want shit, we are gonna say we want shit. Trump crack a fart there where everybody do hold about 9,000 camera around him. When we say 9,000, alright, let me count. Whole heap, 100. Easy 100 people around the man. easy if you not there in them neighborhood there enough camera like what you see me. You not see. Hold on. Me make you see. Me make you see. Me can get this pan. See camera sitting there. One camera. Yeah, and the light I really come through window. Me not too frigid like that. Now work out for me. Good. It have easy 100 of them kind of thing. Yeah. With people back of them and the picture man them too. You know a big picture man them with the long lens so 100 of them around him and me a chunk this in the middle and I say you hear the fart bus and people start look so and he say okay everybody gotta go now alright everybody gotta go now everybody look it up say Trump where he craps himself type in that you can't say shit up by them kind of sitting there like a TikToker Trump craps himself or something like that 4 Tesha Miller case, me a ask, you know. Because you see with them bad man thing, you know, you're not really too talk a thing and tell a thing, you know. You talk a thing, asking a thing. Yeah? Me know who know code. No code. So, the Tesha Miller case, the first, a few questions, maybe at least 2. The first one is, why we still talking about that? Me think Tesha Miller, they are jail and all rat now already are jail, eh? Why are we still talking about that on the news? That was days ago, maybe 5 days ago. Tesha Miller case, we hear it big and I go down deep in a who say war Tesha Miller and him 20 co-conspirators, that's what you say. Yeah, but that's the first question is why we still talking about the Tesha Miller case? And the second one, and not so much a question like a statement, like why the government so tied up with the young man them said we? Why is the government so tightly tied in with these so-called gangsters? Because I have good and bad experiences with these so-called gangsters, just like I have with anybody else in the world. Because the thing with me is that me just deal with everybody else in the world. Yeah, so me no make sure you say, oh, the one or the man them from such and such a place, you can't deal with them in a area. If me have to deal, if I'm selling, I'm a vendor. I've been a vendor, will be a vendor. Is the king of Jamaica, the farmer who becomes storyteller. You're looking at, I walk and sell everywhere, uptown, downtown, and the towns in between. So if it's the Tesha Miller, one other man them, yes, I need to sell in Spanish Town. So I'm gonna sell to those man. Now watch one I think will reach me. Me in the market, me tell the story already on YouTube. I'm just gonna go over it again for the few people praying me on live stream and on the recording. Me in the market, I organize for do vending in a market, for vend food cooking. And that me I pray for do in a market. And the hardcore man them, the gangster man them, I'm not gonna say it is one other man them, I'm just saying some man that is the hardcore man them in the market. Organize a spot and say, here's a spot for you to do your cooking and selling in the market that you want to do. So I say, nice, it's good for these man them to bust me them way, but I want a real bus for sure. Me not sure when a man with them round the market a right up sitting, just a walk through a right up sitting and take up what he want from another somebody and give what he want to another somebody and them man they run the market. Alright, yeah. But me know say government register as people run market. So I went to the municipal corporation for Spanish Town head office. And I go in the office and I see a nice pretty girl. You know them only them people that work in the office. A nice pretty girl sit down behind a nice pretty desk. And I see nice pretty girl behind nice pretty desk here in the municipal corporation office of Spanish Town. I would like to sell in the market. So man in the market boss me and say go and sell in the market. I'm coming to you now as the government to say, can I sell in the market? Everything good with me selling in the market. One relationship me I have to deal with for selling in the market. Then take my food and glass permit and that's it. Them take my food and glass permit and hear what them said to me. Hear the key one to this now. Hear what the government man said to me. In regard to your question, can you sell in the market? Go back and ask that too. The gangster man them who run the market. Okay, that is my experience with the so-called one other people. Whole heap more. Good and bad as I say. Same as me have with many other people. But my whole question is, this top man named Tesha Miller, why are we still talking about in mainstream media? Why is we still running down this court case? Even though they are prison long time and for their prison for a long time. Me not say him for there, you know. Me not send him there. Me think when you send Tesha Miller to prison long time, man. Stop talking about Tesha Miller in the media. And that me really I say. Yeah? Alright. And number 4 item that. Number 3. Me and Matley election win. Oh my God. Look on that Barbados giant woman. Yeah? Giant in many ways is a fat woman. Yes, she fat and she fat in spirit because her spirit run out Queen Elizabeth out her country long before. I know Jamaica not do it yet, you know. Me and Matley I succor me crown myself king of Jamaica, you know. Because me realize that Jamaica need a king. Yeah, because me and Matley lead out the way in the Caribbean. As somebody who say, the crown of England is no longer the head of her state. And that was how much year ago. All know Andrew Holness don't do it yet. Andrew Holness and film government. Them still run up and down say them a do constitutional reform. A whole ton of liar people we can milk money out the system, drive out gas all around the island and some big SUV vehicle and send them to town hall educating people about constitutional reform. Years now, maybe 3 years now. Yeah? Yeah, no. The only constitutional reform with Jamaica, the nearest we reach to it, are this madman where you see a chat shit on TikTok, YouTube. The nearest we reach to it is a man. Because L.A. Lewis see me that try a thing. Yeah, as some say, I'm run with this, you know. When L.A. Lewis crowned himself the emperor, the problem with him did meet was say, Queen Elizabeth was the queen. So if him did say him is king of Jamaica, then Queen Elizabeth would be him queen, and that would have look fuck up. So, right in the region of when she dead, me put on the crown and say, here you know, head of Jamaican state, that is where I'm headed towards, and we're reaching there, no people. We're reaching there, only 3,000 people followers on TikTok right now. 1 year me I do this shit, and we're gonna do it for many. Hold on. Big up me and Matley and the work so she do, and we are going to do our work too, because bro God and him people them not doing one shit in regard to constitutional reform. Alright. Number 2, crown speech, we still have the same vibes there. That now me not have to talk long on that. GG, which I say him is the head of the state, representing the head of the state, which is King Charles. No, Mr. GG, we don't want to hear one shit from you in your boring speech. About 3 hours I'm there at chat. I don't know what the frig him is saying. Like the government pumping for talk. The government do this and then will beat it. And the government do that and the government and the government and the government and yes, and the government. Yeah, Mr. GG with your government. Your labor right government. Or your PMP government. Or your NDM government. Or any and what it blasted puppet them where King Charles a go program and say yo NBC and BBC fly down after Melissa blow. When Melissa blow, I know army from England come down, you know. A BBC and then camera people with soldier lead them right through to the part them where broke down and they say, oh, and we're here on the Black River and Black River is a disaster state and blah 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 and all that. And me I read it up and I say, you see how the blood clean England boys still around Jamaica? Right in the middle of everything we go on a in program who get for see what and what and where the JDF army which is working for King Charles, is them leading BBC reporter into zone and me that did want to go. For go see my people them with them blurring dogs house and them life mash up. I know me get to see it at the British boy them first. Yeah, because GG and him boss have them shit at chat. GG, don't bother do no crown speech next year, you see. We don't want to waste no more time and taxpayer money and chat shit. That a governor general, how your name? Allen? Yeah. Or any other one where they want to put there. Great. That is number 2 on the thing. Favour Williams new taxes. That is the number one item on the King Nyah Newz blem. Oh, I have a lot of shit to say about that. What I'm saying about that is tax them, Fable. Fable Williams have a new tax which she introduced in a Jamaica finance minister. She say the SCT, that is special consumption tax, is what she's gonna put on sugary drinks and I think some other sugary items and cigarettes, on alcohol. I think imported cars that are them items them, and if I some imported, all imported, something like so, but she's putting on a special consumption tax and a whole of money. Some of my money them may say, oh man, me never know so liquor get tax hard, yeah. But that are not enough favor. That me I say, well I know. My word in regard to the special consumption tax, tax them favor. Yep. That is the new slogan I'm running with. Tax them favor. I think she have another parliament thing. Tax them favor. Put on the tax on the special consumption. But here what the real tax when me I say when me I tax them favor. Me I say tax them favor all the workers in politics buildings. Politics building, government building, same shit. All the workers, including yourself, favor. Tax all the workers in the government building them favor. When you tax the sugar, tax them favor. When you tax the alcohol, tax them favor. Tax all the workers in the government buildings that is not doing one shit of work in the government buildings, tax them favor. I am saying the girl who work in the front desk at tax office downtown, that front desk, the receptionist, when them say next, and when you go and she see her period that day that you just get fucked. Excuse me, TikTok you want cut me off anything you want to say, but that you say in your brain say, shit that girl them give me when you say next, and you go and tax office because she not doing one shit but pouring out her sorrows upon the people them. But and another set of building them worse. Jesus Christ, any other government building where you're going you go through a whole ton load of shit from the people them who are do customer service. And the people them behind the scene, me sure them are the worst, because me sure them not doing nothing but chat shit for the first hour with coffee a ton of them mouth and take a cigarette break after the next hour for 5 minutes and then lunch come after that, which is 2 hours, and them still have to go pick up them cousin over the airport. Tax them favor. And them me I say if you put the tax man, tax for them pay. Food no one favor will no double up what they are. Tax them favor. The politics man them pay double what they. Tax that shit. And that me I tell you say SCT on the new kind of money where politics man them a get. Some of the new money them when Nigel print and gone, when him tie up $100 and the $1,000 color, so you mix up the two of them all 2 years after we friggin' have the money. You still don't know if $100 or $1,000, if at that you just give somebody. We're asking you to tax them favor, tax the Minister of Finance money and call it SCT, NGT, FVT, any friggin' thing you want to call it. But put a tax on food and money. And that me I say, tax them favor. That is what King Nyah is saying. And when them tax me, they gather up. I better you friggin' give me it. Make we do something with Jamaican people and money. King Nyah signing out. That is my Newz blem. 4. Well on. We have all come on for this. Sitting here now.